Seeing is believing when you're trying to work on a miniature or model kit, and sometimes the parts are so small you just can't see. Well, today I'm going to talk about multiple options that you can either purchase, utilize, or find to see your models when you want to build. See you guys inside. Hey guys, welcome to today's video. As I said, today the key topic we're going to talk about today is magnification. Oh boy, this can be a tough topic, but a good topic, because all of us build models, all of us age, some of us have bad eyesight, some of us have fantastic eyesight. But in all honesty, depending on the model that you're building, whether it's a great big starship or, you're getting into things such as old school Warhammer or things like that, sometimes the parts just get so small it's hard to see them. So with that, you need a way to magnify it, which is what we're looking at today. It's just magnification options. So yes, there's a slew of piles on my desk of different things here, and this isn't even all of it that I use. But these are some of the key ones that I do use, and I will have links for all these down in the description down below. But they are all useful tools when trying to see small parts, see small detail that needs to get in there, whether you're painting, you're assembling, or even sometimes when you're etching in a detail. This can be really important, and I really should honestly show you the better sculpting tools. This is a new sculpting set I just picked up from GSW. So seeing the detail, making sure the detail looks right, making sure your paint is getting in there right can be critical to any project that you do. And these four things in front of me are just some of what I use. So before we get into these four and I start talking about each of them and why they are good, if you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you're subscribed and you didn't get a notification, make sure you hit that notification bell. And also, if you guys can do me a huge favor and hit that thumbs up button, I'd appreciate it as we go through the video if you like the content or if you find it useful at all. Also, please consider joining the membership. For a few dollars every month, you help me get things that help the channel that you will see on the channel, but also you get a few benefits by joining in. So please help us out as we continue to build the channel, and your help is graciously appreciated. So without further ado, let's start talking about magnification from where I start to where I go when I need the big guns. All right, the first option. You can get these just about anywhere. Magnifying eyeglasses, reading glasses. Yeah, they're dirty. I use these a lot, and they come in different magnifications. I forget which one this one is because I've got a couple of these. These are just +2 magnifiers, but they become very helpful when I don't want to wear something big and bulky, but I need to see what I'm doing in a little bit sharper detail. These readers can go anywhere from different magnifications. I think I have 3 of these that I switch between that are different magnifications. They're comfortable, they go with my eyeglasses. They work really well. You can get these anywhere from Walmart to, I think you can even get them at Dollar Tree. Or Amazon, which there are Amazon links for this down below. Definitely a really cool thing. They come in very handy. A lot of people use them. They're not just for reading. The only drawback is you got to kind of pull the model tight into you. That's the only real drawback to me with these, is I got to pull it a little closer to paint it. But you know what? Not a big deal, not a big problem. But one of the most useful tools I use for magnifying. Number 2. These things look space age, but they're not. They're cheap. These are only, I think, 6x magnification, and they don't work all that great together. A lot of times what I do is I use one eye and I'll have it on, but they come with really handy lights to help me light up my model as I'm working on it, to help with my detail. But you guys can see they're definitely the kind of Mr. Magoo eyelets, but one thing that is great about them is the LED light to help you see what you're doing. Again, this has not worked well for me, both eyes, and again, you got to pull it in really tight. That's the drawback for that. I tend to flip one of these up and only use one eyeball while I'm doing the work, which is the other nice feature, is you can fold them up for when you're not using them, have them on your nose. So handy tool. I think these cost me I think I bought these on Shop Pay for like $10, but a comparable Amazon one is down in the description down below. They come in handy. They're not very big magnification, but cheap solution to solving a first world problem. All right. Now, one of my favorites is these guys. I use these a lot. They just come in very handy. I believe these are the Yoshino magnifiers. And what's cool about these? One, I can have my eyeglasses on and set this on my nose and set my eyeglasses and have both on at the same time. Two, built-in LED right there. Aimable LED. Fun, great thing. These are one of my favorites. Again, they sit really well on my head. There's a lot of weight here, but they're really well built. Frames are very comfortable. Very much a one-size-fits-all solution. What I like about this one, though, too, is it is USB rechargeable. I think the newer ones are USB-C rechargeable. This is modular, and what you just saw is another key piece. This is a one-time magnification lens, but with this kit, and I think these run about $30 for this set, you get multiple magnifications. And they just pop off, and you pop the new one you need in, if I can put it in correctly. So in total, you get 10 magnifications in this beautiful kit, all the way up to, what is this, 3.5 times magnification. You guys can see, that's really kind of a good one. I use these a lot. One of the reasons why I use these a lot, one, I can change my magnification, pops right in, but two, this is very comfortable with my eyeglasses. That's kind of always the hard part, is the eyeglasses are kind of always a problem. I like that I can flip these up out of the way and just kind of work on my model as I need to. But the other key piece, I love the light. I love that it's rechargeable. Key piece there that was important to me. But also I like the 5 different types of magnification that are available to me in the kit. Or if I just need a light, take that off and run the light. So one of my favorites. I like using these a lot. They work really well. You guys can see I've even gotten paint on these. I've used these for multiple years. You guys have probably seen me with these on in live streams. They're definitely worth their money. The Yakuza, they have a battery version, they have a rechargeable version. I recommend the rechargeable version. They just last longer, it works well, and it's just honestly a good piece of equipment that I use in my print shop and my paint shop. I actually have 2 of these spread across the 2. When I'm trying to clean up a fine detail or putting putty on, something like that, this guy helps. Also, I use these a lot when I'm doing face painting on miniatures or models, or if I'm trying to get in those little details that most people don't see but matter to me. These things have been fantastic. They fold up nicely, and I believe the $30 kit comes with a really nice carrying case. But I mean, all in all, in your shop, that doesn't take much room, and you're getting 5 different magnifying glasses with one kit. So definitely a good one, and my most used one. But now, let's talk about the big guns. All right, guys, these are the big ones. These are the Rose Micro Solution 3.5 Mediloop. Now, what's so crazy about these? These are the same things you see doctors wearing, veterinarians. These things are amazing in the way that they magnify. And this set is nice because it allows me to have these on and wear my glasses. But these are different compared to the other ones because I don't need to pull the model way up here to see. I can actually have it a good distance away because these are meant for performing surgeries and other complex stuff like that that needs the doctor can't put their face right down onto the items. So it allows me to actually sit far more comfortably, sit up and look at what I'm working on with the item down here on my workbench and the glasses way back here. These are the 3.5 multi-point adjustable. And down below in the description, there's actually an email address for Kevin. Reach out to him. He is your guy to talk to get you a pair of these or anything within the different Rose Micro Solutions medical line. Now, granted, $30, these are going to run you a couple hundred. But These things are magnificent. When I am doing very, very small, ultra fine detail, and I know I'm going to be doing a lot of it for a long time in the day, these are what I reach for. These are what makes doing all that detail a lot more comfortable. I can sit up in my chair. I'm not down here with my face into the model. These are just a really comfortable, easy solution. My set doesn't have lights. They offer a set that has a lighting kit for an additional price, and I believe it is even battery charged kit that has power cells. But if you guys are interested in stepping up to this bigger, more heavily professional solution, you definitely want to get a hold of Kevin. His email address is down below, but these are, I love these, especially if I'm working on like a big starship where I got to move stuff around. These just work really, really well and allow me to do a lot of work really quick. So definitely worth the value long term. If you are going to be in this hobby for a long time and you want something that's strong, that's going to give you the comfort to be set back in your chair, upright, not hunched over your model, over your desk trying to get the detail, these are your guys. They have multiple different variable magnifications. 3.5 is kind of my preferred that I've been using, but there's all kinds of different options available. So thank you to Kevin for running into me, of all places, at a veterinarian conference at VMX, and having a great conversation with me, and having me actually try these out. You know, I'm used to the ones you find on Amazon, but these just kind of blew everything out of the market. The comfort, the availability, the ability, and just what it actually did to change in my paint scheme was priceless. So definitely really like these. So guys, those are my key magnifiers. Now we've got the ones that are built into the lights and, you know, different things like that, but these are the ones that I use on a day-to-day basis. These are the ones that I put on my head and I sit down and I paint, or I scrape, or I sand to make my models look good. These two are my main ones. So hopefully you guys enjoyed today's content. If you have any questions, definitely hit me up in the comments down below. If you're new here, again, hit that subscribe button. And also, like anything, please consider joining the membership. So thank you guys. I appreciate your time, and we will catch you in the next episode. Thanks.